Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Jackie, aka Jumping Jacks, and I like to talk about photography. I'm going to show you guys my outfit, do a daily check, and I am excited. Wow! Today. And then I got another dress for my photo shoot. I'm going to have another person that's going to tag along. He's one of my friends, so he's going to help. One of my other dresses. In my last video that I had, I actually talked about, or when I was shopping, I got this dress, so this might be familiar from the last video that I was in. It's a white dress. It's off-white, but I really like it.
I remember when we were staring photo. Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes. And I keep you in my heart is where you are. I still think of you, I want you coming back. I remember when we were staring photo. Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes. And I keep you in my heart is where you are. I still think of you, I want you coming back. Call me when you want, maybe I can take it.
Alright guys, welcome back. I'm at my location. I finally made it. I'm going to show you guys a little bit around the location. Once again, beautiful area, clear water. It's just so gorgeous, and I can't wait to start doing some photo shoots. Trying to figure out what poses and stuff that I want to do. Really doing a solo shoot until my friend gets here. Ooh, let me put this further. And then, yeah. But for now, I'm just enjoying the view. It's so breathtaking. Of course, more water photo shoots. And yeah. Alright guys, hello, welcome back. I finally found a location where I want to shoot. And I brought the dress that I shot with last time. It's that white one. And then I'm still wearing the same swimsuit. Oh my gosh guys, all these birds. Hopefully I don't get pooped on. But yeah. So we're gonna go ahead with the photo shoot. Back, here comes the photo shoot. I have a friend who's helping me out. So kind of guide me with this because this is kind of a hard shoot.
Okay, now I am. But it's clicking, it's a click.
Yeah.
Click. Oh, okay.
Close your eyes for a minute. Close your eyes for a second. I won't change my mind. What does getting me now?
Yeah.
What does getting me now? Follow me around. Yeah. Can you let me down? Please don't let me down. Yeah, 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 yeah. Baby, let me down. Can you let me down? Please don't let me down. Please don't let me down.
So look back. Hi everyone.
Woo! Alright. Ooh, I like this shot. I'm gonna. Alright, guys. We chose our next location. I thought this brand.
Close your eyes for a minute. Close your eyes for a second. I won't change my mind.
Okay.
What does getting deep now?
Yes.
What does
Now,
getting
yeah,
deep
angle it
now?
toward me. It's
Follow
gonna
me
feel awkward.
around, yeah.
Yeah.
Can you let me down?
learn like some style.
Yeah. I'm excited. These are
Something with the birds.
oh yeah, so I'll have to angle it. But let's see, if we have to go a little bit further, I want you to have the light of the sun, so it's not, you're not fighting so much, or the camera ain't. Okay. Yeah, I like that. Yes. Okay. And then you can do one where you're kind of looking out. Yep. These are coming out so good.
Pardon me, why don't you come over here? I need to ask you something quickly, my dear. Why do you always settle for something less? You know that, baby, you deserving the best. Yeah, yeah. Go take a look up in the mirror. You gotta see a little clearer. Who's that woman looking right back? And she's a beauty queen, bad, bad. You ain't nobody's number two. These men, they should be fighting over you. No second guessing what I'm saying. Baby, you can take this to the bank and make it sweet. It's time to listen to yourself right now. Make it sweet. Don't even listen to these guys right now. Make it sweet. This treasure buried deep inside right now. Make it sweet. So go and see what you can find right now. Don't you know you're not just some other girl? There's no one like you anywhere in the world. You have a strength like nothing I've ever seen. You're like a woman ripped right out of my dreams. Yeah, yeah. Go take a look up in the mirror. You gotta see a little clearer. Who's that woman looking right back? And she's a beauty queen, bad, bad. You ain't nobody's number two. These men, they should be fighting over you. No second guessing what I'm saying. Baby, you can take this to the bank and make it sweet. It's time to listen to yourself right now. Make it sweet. Don't even listen to these guys right now. Make it sweet. This treasure buried deep inside right now. Make it sweet. So go and see what you can find right now. It's time to make a switch. Just open your
When I was at the beach with this dress, I felt like I could have positioned myself a lot better.
You're perfect, just like this. I'm telling no lie.
Sometimes you just gotta work with what you have. If you have just
Make it
a
sweet.
tripod,
It's time to listen to yourself right now.
you're gonna have to go with.
Make it sweet. Don't even listen to these guys right now. Make it sweet. This treasure buried deep inside right now.
I was definitely
Make it sweet. So go and see what you can find right now. Make it sweet. It's time to listen to yourself right now. Make it sweet. Don't even listen to these guys right now.
TikTok is the same. CODEYJOSHUA.
Yes. Crabs crawling out.
Do you want to know what it is? The Matrix is everywhere. It is all around us.
Yeah, I like
Even
that.
now, in this very room, you can see it when you look out your window or when you turn
The
on your
lovely
television.
angles for photography.
You can feel it when you go to